Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the Russian Voice Online School. My name is Lydia. I'm your Russian language teacher. And in this lesson, we are going to learn our winter vocabulary. And our first word is zima. Winter. Zima. Zima. Снег. Snow. Снег. Снег. Идет снег. It's snowing. Идет снег. Идет снег. На улице холодно. It's cold outdoors. На улице холодно. На улице холодно. Снежинка. Snowflake. Снежинка. Снежинка. Сосулька. Icicle. Сосулька. Сосулька. Снеговик. Snowman. Снеговик. Снеговик. Лед. Ice. Лед. Скользко. Slippery. Скользко. Каток. Ice rink. Каток. Каток. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my Russian Voice channel. And if you want to learn more about Russian winter and Russian winter holidays and traditions, I recommend you my course, Awesome Russian Winter Stories. You can buy it in my bookstore, awesomerussian.com, and this book is also available on Amazon. You can find the link in my profile and in the first comment to this video. See you soon at our next Russian lessons. Пока-пока!